today we have Ben.
Hello.
Ben,
And then
I got my nose
What's
paid.
Benjamin?
Oh, James.
I was going to say that.
Yeah.
This is Benjamin James
It's
Bannon.
Benin. And I'm actually really short. My goodness. Okay, and so today's video, Carly's teaching both Ben and I how to drive a manual because we just got our L's. Well, Ben did. And I've never driven a manual before.
Guess Ben's age. Go.
15.
You're all wrong.
Can't see. Alright. It's still going.
We'll wait. Why are your legs so far back?
What do you mean? I've got long legs. What do you mean? I've got long legs.
I do have long legs, just short everywhere else.
Okay.
Alright.
Ah! I'm so scared.
Okay, yeah, okay. You can't turn on the car until the clutch is in.
Do you know what that was? That's the one on the
Whenever-
far right.
Left.
Far right.
The one that makes an L is your left hand, okay? Just remember that. When you stop, put your hands out like that. The one that makes an L is your left hand. Okay, hope this helps you.
Hallie, this is serious. I don't want you to back my car. Whenever you do anything out of the ordinary, just
What do you
put the clutch in.
No, on the brake. Or on the brake and the
You have the handbrake, don't you?
I need to shit myself.
Put on the brake.
You manky feet.
I'll insert a photo of Hallie's feet right now. Go. Drive. I'm in the handbrake. Hallie!
You know what thing-
Hallie, you just stalled it because you turned it up. It's fine if you stall, okay? See, it's not even scary. We're going to be here
I'm
for
gonna
so long.
die.
Okay, leave the clutch in, but let the brake off. Okay.
Oh my God.
Now put the brake on, put the brake on. Oh! Okay, now in order to actually move out
this
of
thing locked?
first,
I had to change it.
this is neutral, okay? This is first. Practice going into your gears. In
It's
order
terrible.
to go, this is your accelerator.
Make your
This is
seat.
your clutch. You let out the clutch, but you put some accelerator. So a little rev.
Back! Oh.
Stop. Wait, accelerate.
Yeah. Do it. Wait. Ooh.
Ooh. Hear that girl roar.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you start with the brake and the clutch.
Mhm.
Take off this. Take your foot off the brake, and then accelerate and let out the clutch.
Kind of an even.
Yeah. Let's just go for it, Hallie.
Frick me.
Hallie, just go for it.
Go on. Go on. Moment of truth.
So, okay. Oh, frick. Now take off the brake. Okay, your clutch is still in. Now accelerate a little and let out the clutch.
Yay!
Oh, where are you going? Okay. Okay, Hallie, now. Okay. Okay. Alright, okay. Put the clutch in. Put the clutch and the brake in.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Is it in gear?
Yeah.
Okay, so
It's in
first.
first. Now we're on a bit of a hill. We're probably gonna take off the brake. Alright, it's fine. Accelerate, let out the clutch. Stop!
Oh
Can
my
you
gosh, you did a burnout.
Swap! Can you smell that? That is my
That's burning rubber. Get out of the car. Oh my
Wait, is the handbrake on?
You drive without me telling you anything.
Oh my, I can't. I forgot how to drive.
No one has ever been that bad at driving. You didn't even get to change.
We're in neutral?
No, you can't.
I want the full experience. Put it neutral for me. Alright, handbrake off for me.
What? Ah! Ah!
Just go slow.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Oh, what do it.
Oh wow, this is fun.
Okay, you go that way, go out. No,
Oh.
it's a European car.
Why? Can we go this way?
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's
what?
just stay in first,
Why are
okay?
you so good?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, that's.
Why'd you put the back? on?
Okay, now you have to put the clutch into brake. Okay.
Oh, what?
We going left or right?
Left.
Look at those houses.
Left.
They just see a bunch
Okay,
of
go.
monkeys
This is
on the hill.
gravel, Ben.
Can do
Very slow. Ben.
that. Left.
Yeah. You're not ready for the hill. Oh! Oh!
Who was that? Who was that?
Now I know
take
what
two.
my dad felt like. Okay.
With you?
I don't think I was
Alright,
this
we'll roll
bad
down the
at
hill.
all. Okay, the handbrake is on. You can't just.
Can you take off? We'll just roll for a bit.
Okay.
Alright, that's alright. That's
Okay.
alright.
Oh, we're going down this way.
Okay, you have the handbrake.
Why is everything's
You have to go
turning
to
on?
second. You have to go to second. Clutch
Down,
in,
down, down.
clutch in and go down. Clutch in and go down. Okay, let it out. Ah! Okay.
Sorry.
No.
That was a
Okay,
person.
turn.
You have to go to first.
here, turn.
Ben, go down here, Ben! Ben! No! What are you in?
Third.
No!
Wow, look at the sunset.
Okay, just turn the car off.
Why are these things on?
I said no, don't go anywhere.
Is there one?
This is a bit of a hill,
Can
Ben.
we stay in one?
Do you want me to get off
No,
the
watch
hill
this,
for
watch
you?
this.
Ben, you're
Watch this.
shit.
I got this, right?
We're gonna go.
You got to accelerate a little bit.
Oh, so close.
Okay.
We're getting this. This,
Even
this
I'm
is my
better
goal.
than
This
you.
is my goal.
Okay, alright. Ben, stop!
Oh.
Turn the car off. Get out. I'm getting out of this hill.
Aw.
Getting us to safety. She's getting us to safety first.
We nearly had that.
Get out of my car.
Okay, I want you to go out that way and down the hill
What? This way.
and then go into there.
This way.
No left.
There is no left.
Yeah, you go.
Oh.
But when you're
one.
going down the hill,
Oh shit.
you have to
Brake
put.
and
Make him go
clutch?
down the hill.
Yeah.
Don't put. Oh shit. Let me out.
No, we got this. We got this.
Ben, no.
Go.
You're not gonna be able to turn. You're literally gonna go straight into that pole.
Make sure this is fully off. That's neutral. Okay.
The sunset's really pretty, so
Golden hour.
there's no such thing as
Alright, a
golden
little
hour for
less
you.
accelerated and a little more out of the clutch. Alright, okay, keep accelerating. Okay, go left, left, left.
Oh.
Oh, maybe we're not gonna. Oh shit.
Okay, a
Brake.
little more this way. Okay, now clutch and brake and go through there.
Whatever. We,
On.
Good blinky. Okay, now slowly let out the clutch and accelerate. Okay, you can't be above 2.
Can I go left? Oh, we'll go right. Pedestrian crossing.
Okay, too much acceleration. Okay, yep, now keep it going. Okay,
Oh, smooth.
go left.
Please get your automatic license.
Shut your bitch ass up! Get out of here. You didn't even get out of the parking lot.
Cause
sorry.
Ben! 2 hands on 10 and 2, is that what it is?
You gotta feed.
Feed.
Feed the.
Okay, now this is gravel, Ben, so slow.
So faster?
No, Ben.
Carly, you'd speed. Hey guys. I actually have to pee. I think I might have to.
Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana.
Ben.
It's okay.
Go in there.
It's okay. Oh, it's dying
Ben,
on me.
you're gonna-
It's dying.
Ben. Okay, clutch in. Yeah, okay.
Should we go down the hill?
Yeah.
I'll give you 2 cents for petrol, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
We got the.
T park.
Okay, too much acceleration.
Too
Park.
much? Too much? Park?
Okay, right there. No, you've gone past it. You failed your piece test. You had so many car parks.
You choose this one and you were so bad. Oh, crap. Oh, crap.
Do I trust myself? Do you trust me?
No.
Okay, I'll do it.
The handbrake's still on.
Brake. Put it on the brake.
Okay, brake. Okay, brake. Then slower.
Oh my god.
Are you stopping here?
I'm out.
Transition.
Oh.
Still here.
Breathing
that
intensified.
Carly, I don't know how to work.
I need some more leg room.
I know.
Oh, sorry. I didn't even know you were.
Look at this. What? Howie!
Please stop.
like
Don't, Hallie, don't,
Chewbacca's in
Hallie,
the boot.
don't go anywhere. Just stop. Just stop, Hallie. Just think.
Oh.
Even.
No, not driving anymore.
Put the seatbelt back on.
No.
Stay in here.
Put your hands on the wheel, the key in the car. I want you to drive, Hallie.
Oh no.
Okay, accelerate. Not too much and too. Okay, you okay? Accelerate. That's about good. Just above the one.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Steps.
Now a little bit of accelerator, a little bit, and let out the clutch.
Oi!
Accelerator. Okay.
Nah.
Yeah,
I'm just
don't
gonna
leave
stay in
this
the
part.
car park.
Don't leave this. Just keep circling if you need to. Okay. All right. No. Okay.
Keep going,
Just
keep
put the
revving.
clutch in if you feel this go below 1.
Now get down.
Good work, Hallie. Did you feel the clutch and the brake?
Wow. Look at that guy.
Okay.
Hit the horn.
All right. A little bit of accelerator. Let out the clutch. Okay. Yeah. No. Good, Hallie. Good. You're doing well.
I'll say this is a 7 out of 10 so far.
Okay, slower, Hallie. Okay, Hallie, you're getting ahead of yourself, all right?
I'm really proud. Proud mother moment.
Oh, he's going to get emotional again on us, isn't he, Rog?
Okay, too much. Okay, all right.
I did that by myself.
Clap.
Thanks guys for watching. This concludes our video. Ben was a terrible driver. I was a good
It's
driver.
been real, guys.
Yeah.
Like this video if you want
Oh,
Ben
Ben.
to be back.
If you get more than 1 like.
Ben will be back on our channel.
See ya!